So this is the new Lumpinee Boxing Stadium. Should give that a try one time. So good afternoon. So this is the first time that I'm using this bad boy. So give me a second and then I'll prepare it. So I bought this bike at the Decathlon and there was an offer and it was 6,700 baht. And now I am able to just go to any BTS station. So the BTS and MRT does not allow bikes, but a foldable bike is possible. And today I am going to check out the Pink MRT line that is going in the direction of Minburi. So see you downstairs. So I'm outside of Wat Phra Sri Mahathat station on the BTS line. And I am going to follow the newly built Pink MRT line. So this is the structure of the Pink line. Yeah, so I have my foldable bike now, which means that I'm gonna be a lot more mobile in the future, or from now on. So for example, this Wat Mahathat station is about, I think, 30 kilometers from my home. So normally I would have had to drive 30 kilometers to get here. But now I can just start from the station, fresh and inspired. Yeah, so this road is Ram Inthra. And along this road they are constructing the Pink MRT line. So I'm very interested to see how it looks. It's quite busy here with the traffic. So the Pink line in total will be 34.5 kilometers. There will be 30 stations and it connects Minburi with Nonthaburi, the Nonthaburi Civic Center. Let's see how we can navigate through here. Yeah, it's always when they are constructing these new lines, it really disrupts the traffic. But that's okay, we just drive slowly. For me it's not a big problem. It's actually safer than having the full traffic coming by, like what you always see on the yellow line, you know. Yeah, so the Pink line is a monorail and it's gonna be quite an important transport connection here in the north of the city, and in the end it will connect the green BTS line with the immigration office in Changwatana, which is something that is very interesting for all the foreigners that live here. And there will also be a connection with the Muang Tan Thani office, where people have to do their 90-day report. Officially they say that it should be ready in October 2021, but I'm not sure if they're gonna make that. Yeah, I will have to check out later what stations these are here. Yeah, I'm just excited to explore a completely new part of the city. I mean, I've never been here. I know that here you also have the new Lumpinee Boxing Stadium. I had a question the other day, somebody was asking where the Lumpinee Boxing Stadium is. It used to be in Rama 4 next to the Lumpinee Park, but they closed it down and now they are building the Bangkok 1 project there. So, and they made a completely new stadium here on the Ram Inthra Road. So I think I will give you guys a peek of that as well. Actually, I can see the stadium already from here. Yeah, I'm not gonna drive too far because this is this one goes all the way to Minburi, and I just wanted to give a peek of how it looks now and give an update. Yeah, I wanted to go this morning, early morning. Today it's Saturday, but the air quality was so poor and there was really a lot of smog, so I skipped that one. And now it's later in the day, it's almost 4 o'clock. I realized that it looked a lot better now, so I thought, okay, let's give it a shot. So this is the new Lumpinee Boxing Stadium. Should give that a try one time. Yeah, I'm just very happy that I'm able to explore new parts in the city. So I already made a lot of plans. And it's not my goal to keep driving on these kind of highways here, of course. But especially like in the old town, I will be able to move freely a lot easier. The guy with the red flag, you always have to be careful. Cap? That's interesting to see. I mean, it looks like the line is almost ready. So I guess it's going to be more also about the preparations of the stations. Yeah, so I think this station is the Lat Pla Khao station. pink line will go all the way to Minburi, and there it will connect with the orange line that's also being constructed now. And yeah, so here this station is PK 18. So again, PK stands for pink number 18. So I will check out later for sure what station this is. Yeah, so this line completely follows the Ram Inthra Road. So I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe. And see you guys in my next video.